G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio, showing you our latest tablet in-car media centres. This is for the Lexus GS350, GS430. We all know these have been a pretty popular car in New Zealand. With the new import restrictions, you've got to have vehicle with stability control, so these will take off. But the problem with them has been the big Japanese screen, which is terrible. So this one is not. This is all in English. So we've got radio there with full RDS. It's got the station identifiers. It's got all the pieces there. Now you can add a reverse camera. We hook up the reverse camera. We just haven't bothered in this because it's been borrowed. Steering wheel controls work. Whatever that crap is. You can change your stations off the steering wheel controls. All is good. You've got climate control, air conditionings down here. Now we just point out these were originally made for left-hand drive market. We've successfully adjusted the wiring so it works in a Japanese domestic vehicle, but the climate control is around the other way. If that really puts you off, bugger it, you can go back to having one of the Japanese ones. You're out of it. Too much for us. Bluetooth's really good. We've connected to my phone. We can play music off my phone quite easily. We'll go into Spotify. You can change tracks. Yeah. It's all pretty cool. So just for copyright, we'll turn that down. Mapping, and this one you've got Wi-Fi. You can do all sorts of things. You can connect to a dash camera. You can download Angry Birds as Kyle did before. Use maps, for example. This one we've downloaded Waze, so you've got all the New Zealand mapping there available to you easily enough. So it's really cool. So you've got camera, you've got New Zealand radio, you've got Bluetooth. You can download all in all bits and pieces, and it's all complete and utterly usable. It's a nice, clear, bright screen. You can run through, get your apps up. You can do whatever you like. It just makes these cars so much better value now in New Zealand. You can do this. So these units, in summary, they're available from us at OEM Audio. We've got installers around the country. You can give us a call on 0508 OEM Audio, or come in and see us at 18 College Street here in Sydenham, or buy online at oemaudio.co.nz.